Okay guys, today we are going to discuss what is ClickFunnels and is ClickFunnels relevant in 2019. ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses market, sell and deliver their products online. Okay? It ClickFunnels is a online funnel builder, sales funnel builder, not only sales funnel builder, but it is a funnel builder. Okay, it simplifies the funnel building. It's completely revolutionized the whole process. Okay, this tool simplifies online marketing, selling and delivery of their products and services by providing users with funnel options that are pre-built. In the ClickFunnels, when you join ClickFunnels, first you have to go to through the 14-day trial, and then after that they charge at least I think $97, and you can create every type of funnel at your own, and there are pre-built funnels for specific businesses, products and services. Whatever the product you have, whatever the business you are in, or whatever you are doing online, you need ClickFunnels. Okay my friends, that's my point. Okay, and the next thing is ClickFunnels. With ClickFunnels, it is easy to create marketing and sales funnels. Okay, with ClickFunnels, you can create marketing and sales funnels from the ground up, as it incorporates all the core elements needed to have a functional and effective sales funnel. With sales funnels, you not only create marketing and sales funnels, I will tell you in later in the video that you can create all types of funnels in the ClickFunnels. Okay, traditional online funnels means you need to deal with website hosting. They provide you website hosting, they provide you landing pages, email autoresponder. They have everything you need to sell a product, to market a product, to sell a business, to market a business in any mean, man. It's okay. It's absolutely awesome tool. It's all hard workout, but traditional funnels are time intensive and very expensive. Okay. The next thing in the ClickFunnels incorporates all these and more, offering them in a comprehensive and unified package, so you don't have to deal with them one by one. Everything is provided at one place. Okay, everything is provided in one place. You need not to go to a lot of other platform for the web hosting or the landing pages or email autoresponder, all the stuff you need to build a funnel. Okay, to sell your product, they have already pre-built funnels that you can use for your services or products. Okay, the next thing is overview of ClickFunnels benefits. Let's see. Wholesale and marketing funnels for all type of businesses. Various type of sales funnels, and each one needs to be designed and organized in a way to attractive to its intended client. Okay, they are already designed in a way that they are highly convertible funnels. Okay, funnels for webinars, sales, membership sites, every type of things, man. With ClickFunnels, users are treated to a variety of pre-built sales funnels. I told you pre-built sales funnels they have. All they have to do is choose one that matches their business requirement. Selling a subscription and funding an ebook may be similar in terms of them trying to make a sale, but they need to be handled differently. ClickFunnels saves you to the time and effort to start organizing your sales funnels from scratch and speed up your sales funnel setup. Okay, what are the features you will get? You will get custom domain, A/B split test, email integration, opt-in funnels, click pops, clicks opt-ins, all advanced funnels, sales funnels, membership funnels, auto webinar funnels, and oh, look it, there is a variety of things, man, you can get there with ClickFunnels. Let's move to the ClickFunnels website and show you what it means. Okay, this is a ClickFunnel website. Okay, so what business you are in? Okay, you need to sell something. Business means you're providing some kind of service or you are selling something. Okay, to sell something you need a website or page where the visitors comes and they know and they get know about your products, about your services. So the ClickFunnels is a tool you can create with their amazing type of funnels for your business, for your services. Okay, for instance, if you are in affiliate marketing, if you're a newbie and you are in affiliate marketing, okay, affiliate marketing, you need an offer to sell your product. Okay, you need some kind of offer, but you need, first thing you need the email. You have to collect the emails. Okay, if you don't have you don't collect the emails, okay, you cannot proceed in affiliate marketing. Okay, they have lead magnet funnels. I'm going to show you the lead magnet funnel. The lead magnet funnel, look, it has two pages, opt-in page and thank you page. The opt-in page is the page where the customer goes. Opt-in page means you are collecting the purpose of this funnel is you are collecting an email in exchange of some giving some free things. It might be an ebook, it might be a video, it might be something. Okay, let's say this is my favorite top 10 beginners yoga pose, and this is the ebook. Okay, they're giving here the customer will enter their name and their email address and get my free video now, or whatever, it's ebook. Okay, you will collect their email and then you can do your email marketing business. Okay, so it is really good. I will show you all the funnels, you can build with ClickFunnels. Okay, all the funnels I will show you. You can build how you can build all the funnels. Okay, here you will see the classic funnel builders. Okay, you see there are pre-built all type of funnels areas. Okay, application funnels, storefront funnels if you're selling something, product funnels, lead generation funnel, product launch funnel. Okay, this is product launch funnel. If you have a product and you want to direct, you want to sell it directly, there's a funnel. Okay, so guys, and the next question is ClickFunnels is relevant in 2019? Absolutely, guys, absolutely. ClickFunnels is absolutely relevant in 2019 because whatever business you are in, you need these ClickFunnels. Okay, in the video description I will leave the 14-day trial link. Please check out and get the trial and go through the funnels, make funnels at your own, and you will see what I mean by this. Okay, thanks for watching.